It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 Ranger XLT in shadow black with ebony premier cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. And this has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, and it also has a power sliding rear window as well, the drive mode. So if you go on uneven surfaces, or you go off-road, or just the weather's changing, you can adapt to that, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you've got nice Ranger mats, the all-weather mats with the badging, high mount lighting, lighting controls, and the running board just makes it a little easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And then we're just going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. And that'll just pop up there, and then you just can go through that. And then we've got this nice big display screen. So first of all, I'm going to show you that when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So right off the back bumper, center line, you can see your hitch there. Green, yellow, red, just how close other objects and vehicles may be to you. So let's put it back into park. And then we're seeing the audio here, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. You've got your dual climate control. You've got your heated seats, as well as your fan and your defrost. And I think I mentioned the AC as well. And so when you go in here, you also are seeing other things such as navigation, your owner's manual, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your zone lighting, towing, and so forth. The camera now, I'm not in gear. This is just giving me another view before I even go anywhere. And then down below here, we have our dual climate control as well as our AC. And we have the fan located there. So you have it in a couple of different places. You choose what is comfortable for you to activate. Hazard lights, volume, and then your max AC as well. And then there's a little cubby. There's a wireless charging pad, automatic select shifter, emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders. And then you have got your traction control, auto stop start for less idle time. And then in here we have our leveling. So if the road is uneven, you can touch on that and adjust. You've also got your drive modes with your 4x4 here. Whoops, there you go. And so the drive modes, if your road conditions change, your weather changes, so there's normal. The icons are going to change for you. They're changing on the dial as well to the left. And then I'm just going to keep going here just so you can see. Sport, and I'm just turning it. Tow haul, slippery, mud ruts, and sand. So depending on what your conditions you're in, what the weather's like, how you're driving, if you're towing, all that good stuff, you can change the drive modes. And it'll also go from 2 high to 4 high or 4 low as needed. Your armrest opens up lots of room in there. You've also got a 12-volt, your glove compartment's off to the side, grab handle in the body, and you've got an auto dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls. You have the power sliding window, that's what that's for, and your sunglass holder, and you're all set to go. 17-inch wheels, running boards, black door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates, and just below your handle, or sorry, below your badge is where your backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, all you have to do is put your hand in the latch and then just release it. You notice it has the tailgate assist, so it goes down easily. And you've also got clamps here, as well as a measuring stick. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. And you've got seating for 3 with a bench seat. And you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. We're just going to flip that up. Now you can pull the tab on either end, and it'll lift up the seat for you. You've got lots of room underneath, plus your jack. And then all-weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, little cubby, USB-C and USB, plus a 120-volt, your dome lighting, hooks and handles, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Black bumper, and you have the backup camera and sensors in the rear, 5-foot box, and you have the privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, and tow hooks, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.